Hi everyone, for 7 days straight I challenged myself to sew using only rectangle shapes, no complicated patterns, just rectangles. Day 1, we are starting super simple. All you need is one rectangle of fabric and the measurements are already on the screen, so you're good to go. This is perfect for absolute beginners. And you might ask, why rectangles? Because they are beginner friendly and forgiving, and I think this is a very good challenge to help you in the road to sewing and pattern making and all that. So I think every beginner should give this a try. Even if you are not a beginner, this is a good way to increase your wardrobe in the most beautiful way. And here's the final result. So this is day 1 and I absolutely love how it turns out. Let's keep going. For day 2, I sew a shoulder bag with same one rectangle. So the measurements are on the screen. For this one, I've pretty much done this before, but this size is more bigger because I need something functional and stylish, something that I can easily put more things and carry along. So this is a shoulder bag, and I just put a contrast black at the down part just to give it a beautiful finish. So I think this is another thing that every beginner should try. It's very simple, straightforward. So with how this turned out, I just knew that I need to make this in different fabric. I'm so in love with it. So let's keep going. On day 3, I decided to sew a Kimono top with 2 rectangles. So this one was pretty much simple, but at the same time it took a bit of more time than the previous project. So I just work on the neckline and then turn it over. The sleeve, I added a channel for the drawstring because I wanted the sleeve to be versatile. I can just wear it like that, or I can just use the drawstring. So that's just this. I so love the way it feels on me. So what do you guys think? Now, and day 4 is all about accessories. So today I decided to make a beautiful 2-tone hairband. This one is pretty much simple, just a stretchy fabric, different stretchy fabric just to give it a 2-tone. So this is a technique to get that 2-toneness of it. So I absolutely love this too. Yeah, it is. Absolutely like how this came out. Hope you're not tired. Let's keep going. On day 5, still on accessories, I see a pouch with 1 rectangle. This is actually a scrap piece that I had, so I just wanted to show you guys that even scrap piece can be good. You just need to know what to do with it. So there's a technique to do this. This one was pretty much simple and I absolutely love it. I accessorize it with my bags. You can just add it to your bag, or you can just throw it inside your tote bag. So this is pretty much easy. So on day 6, we're leveling up with this trendy rectangle top. This is also super easy to make. Just follow the measurement and the way you see on the screen. This is pretty much everywhere, so I think it's something that every beginner can actually take up. So I actually love how this also turned out. It's pretty much flattering because of the strap at the waist. And we made it to day 7. So for the final project, I created this lightweight rectangular skirt from a scarf. So this one is a beginner good, barely any sewing required. All you need is just to find the center point and then create the waist, and from the end of one waist to the other, just that's the only sewing required. So I absolutely love this skirt. and I'm so proud of everything I created using only rectangles. So this challenge has been so much fun. So which day was your favorite? Drop it in the comments. I would like to hear from you. And then if you try this challenge, please tag me. I can't wait to see. And then don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next challenge. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.